cuttlefish are expert camouflages of the sea. They can change their skin color in less than a second to blend in with their environment. This detailed color-changing ability is even more impressive when you consider that cuttlefish themselves are colorblind. Like all cephalopods, cuttlefish have 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts are used to pump blood to the cuttlefish's large gills, and the third is used to circulate oxygenated blood to the rest of its body. Cuttlefish can imitate the shape and texture of objects around them. They accomplish texture change by extending or retracting tiny bumps called papillae located across their bodies. These cephalopods, which means head-foot, have 8 arms and 2 long tentacles attached directly to their head. The mantle, the area behind the eyes which contains the cuttlefish's internal organs, is surrounded by a fringe-like fin that flaps in a rippling motion for maneuvering. Cuttlefish have a unique internal shell called a cuttlebone. By adding different amounts of liquid or gas into tiny holes within this structure, these animals can change their buoyancy, making them float up or down. Cuttlefish can move using jet propulsion, filling their body cavities with water, then forcefully squirting it out to propel themselves backward. The blood pumped through the cuttlefish's heart is blue-green in color because, like its cephalopod relatives, it contains a copper-based protein, hemocyanin. Cuttlefish can create their own body double from a cloud of ink. During courtship, male cuttlefish put on a dazzling display to attract females, over whom rival males will fight viciously. Males will pass a packet of sperm to the female, who stores sperm from several males in her mouth cavity until she chooses which to use for fertilization. To maximize chances of reproductive success, males can shoot water into a female's mouth to displace other males' sperm packets before depositing theirs. When a female is ready, she finds a safe spot to lay and fertilize her eggs, which are called sea grapes because they are set in bunches and stained black by the mother's ink. Cuttlefish die after reproduction, usually at around 2 years old. Male cuttlefish disguise themselves as females to get past competing males to mate. Cuttlefish have one of the largest brain-to-body ratios of all invertebrates. They can count, remember what, where, and when they last ate, and even pass the marshmallow test. These predators feed on fish, crabs, prawns, smaller cuttlefish, and shrimp, using extendable tentacles to grab prey which they immobilize with a toxic bite. Cuttlefish are usually solitary animals and can be found in oceans all around the world. While most live in shallow waters, some species can be found at depths of more than 3,000 feet.